What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brisabi Shop. And do you guys have one of these error coins? Well, let's talk about it. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so what you see right here is a coin with a clipped planchet. That is what the error is called. It is called a clipped planchet, and this is a US Mint error. So clip errors actually are coins struck on a clipped planchet. And this happens when a blank is incorrectly punched from a sheet of metal. So clip planchets are actually very well-known errors, and they are selling for some really good money on eBay. I want to show you guys some of the most recent sales that have sold for clip planchets. Check it out. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check your coins. Share this video with someone. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.